workout views this morning. It really doesn't get better than this.
How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. What can I get started for you?
I'll just take a grande pumpkin spice latte, please.
Grande pumpkin spice latte, you got it. And that's all for you?
Yep, that's it.
$5.69. We'll see you through the window.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi you guys, happy Thursday. Welcome to a new vlog. So I'm currently just sitting in the Starbucks parking lot about to enjoy my first sip, my first pumpkin spice latte of the season. I am so excited. So normally I don't get these really often just because of the high sugar and carb content, because these things are very sugary. So I'm about to be on a sugar high, but oh my gosh, I allowed myself to have a couple of season, and today I'm just vibing with fall. I'm like on the same wavelength. I am so happy. It is 8:39 in the morning, and it has like that crisp, like cool air outside, so this is just perfect. And yeah, I'm just really excited for the fall season. So I'm gonna have a sip. Oh my gosh, I have missed the taste of a pumpkin spice latte. So I always love my home coffee. I love the coffee I make at home with the Keurig and my creamer. Love, love, love it. But this is such a great treat. And you guys, it is so important to treat yourself sometimes. I just feel like I have been in a super big rut. I have been stressed out lately with all this home stuff, and more updates to come on that later, by the way. But it just has been such an overwhelming, stressful time, and I just need to take some time for myself. Sometimes I did a workout by the lake this morning, and then I also did a little bit of meditation. I am not too consistent with meditation and doing that, but it was just so peaceful listening to the birds chirping and stuff, and I feel like sometimes we just need to slow down and calm down. But anyway, I'm headed to Walmart to get some fabric because I'm upholstering some dining room chairs, and then I have to go to Home Depot to get more sandpaper, a higher grit sandpaper for my palm sander, because in the next, I don't know if it'll be the next video, but in a couple videos I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm DIYing a kitchen table. It is going to look so amazing. I'm staining it, I'm sanding it, all the things, so I'm excited to share that process with you guys. And for me, I just really want to save a bunch of money on home decor and not buy the newest things, and if I can DIY it, I'm going to try to DIY it, just because home decor is so expensive, and I spend a lot of money on my business, and I have this business that I really want to start soon, so my money really needs to go into that and not home decor. Obviously some things I need to buy, like new couches and stuff, but things that I could really just save money on, I'm gonna try to do. So anyway, that's the scoop, but I'm in a great mood today. I hope you guys are too, and I'm gonna be running my errands, and I'll talk to you guys later.
We got the goods, sandpaper, really riveting stuff.
so it's quite a while later now. I'm in my garage, and this is just the situation right now with moving and everything. Everything is just kind of crazy, but I'm doing my DIY project. So right now I'm just painting these chairs white because I'm gonna be doing a whole like video about doing this DIY like farmhouse dining room table. So that's to come, but I just finished the cushions for the chairs, so I'll turn you guys around and show you that, but I still have to screw them onto the actual chair. So still working on that, but it has just been so busy. But yeah, wow, my face is super oily too. I'm like kind of sweating, kind of not, paint on me, but anyways, yes, let me turn you guys around and show you what the cushions look like. Okay, so I think they turned out really nice. So what I did was I had the board, which was the cushion originally, and then I used this, let me set this down. I used a mattress foam topper. I bought that, and then I also just bought the fabric, which I could have done a second topper just to make it a little bit more comfy, but it's not that bad. And then I also have the chair, so it's upside down right now because I have to screw them back on the chairs itself. But I'm super excited about this. I just really have been wanting to get stuff done. So yeah, that is what I have been working on lately. And then I have my little helper right here. She has not left my side. She's just so cute. Look what finally came in the mail, my Christmas tree. I'm so excited. Hi you guys, what's up? It's the next day. Good morning, or it's probably afternoon now, honestly. I am just getting ready. I'm gonna go have a little date day with my boyfriend. But first, I am going to try and charge this camera because I'm doing a collaboration with Michelob Ultra on my Instagram. So I want to take some cute photos at the pumpkin patch because I think we're going to go pick some apples and go to the pumpkin patch. And I thought it would be perfect for a collaboration setting. So I think that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to charge this, the good camera, when I bring out the big guns. You know it's real. But I figured it would just be better for like, sometimes you just want higher quality content, especially for collaborations. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and charge this, see what I need for this. But yeah, this is my boyfriend and I's camera. He used to actually be like sort of like a photographer and take photos, but he figured out that was not like his calling or his passion. So I convinced him to keep his good camera. So it's kind of mine now, but it is also his as well. But I figured he's good with the camera, he can help me with this, so lucky him. But anyway, that's what I'm doing, and we're just going around town. It's just so nice today. It's a nice fall day, and yeah, we just want to have ourselves a nice day. We typically don't like go out by ourselves that often. I know that sounds really strange, but we're always with family because I only see him like once or twice a week because we don't live together yet. Next month we will though, so I'm really excited. But we're always like with our families, and we're very family oriented, and like that is fine. We love our families, but we never really go out like just us, or like we rarely do. So I'm super excited just to spend the day with him. So I need to get ready and go over there. I don't know what exactly we're doing, but all I know is I want to go take photos at a pumpkin patch. That's like my annual thing. I want to do that so bad. That's the plan, but I'm going to get ready and I will talk to you guys after that. 40 minutes later. My hair is crimped. I put hairspray in it. I still need to style it, but... Boki! Boki! I saw you. There you are! Hi! Oh, you come greet me. Hi! Good boy. Okay, so I just got to my boyfriend's house, and real quick before I go meet up with him right now, I want you guys to help me welcome Brandon into this YouTube community, because we are moving in together next month and we've been together for 6 years. I don't really show him too much on this channel because he gets really nervous around camera and he doesn't really like cameras in his face, but he said he's gonna, you know, try to make himself less nervous, I guess, and just feel better about being on camera. So you guys leave comments down below welcoming him into this community. I'd appreciate it. And yeah, so I'm super excited for him to be more on my channel, especially with this like new chapter in our life. So yes, help me welcome him down in the comments below. But anyway, I will talk to you guys soon. So Brandon asked me what I was wearing before I left the house, and I said jeans, boots, and a vest. And look what he's wearing. Brandon, look, come here. Come here. What? Show your outfit. Show your outfit. Cute. So we tried to go apple picking, but it was way too crowded, so we just sat in the parking lot for a little bit and took some cute photos. I actually really like how they turned out, so I'm really happy about that, but no apples here. I'm very sad. Guess who bought couches? I did. Me, I did, not you. Anyway, are you having fun?
I am. Shopping is fun.
I don't have my drink yet, but how cute is this? That looks bomb. Hey you guys, it is now the next morning and I am just about to head into the gym, but I wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a like because that supports my channel, and then also subscribe because I post Wednesdays and Sundays. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, whatever day it is for you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!